Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can back up your chat history in Telegram. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes and write comments after watching the video. And let us get started with you. So, first of course, we're going to open up Telegram. Next, down here at the bottom, we're going to click into Settings. Next, we're going to open up Data and Storage. And here we need to find the Automatic Media Download window. And here, as you can see, we have two options. This is downloading over cellular network and over Wi-Fi. And we can customize each of these options. So, first, I'm going to open up the cellular network. First of all, you need to make sure that you have it active at all. If it's not active, it's going to look like this. You turn it on. And then you can customize, for example, exactly what you're going to save and exactly what you're going to back up. So, let's say photos. Here you can choose from whom, for example, photos from your contacts, or it will be from group chats or some private chats. Also, you can customize from which contacts, for example, further video. You can also customize from whom the video data will be saved, as well as the size of the video. The default is always set to 15 MB. But you can stretch to increase the size of the video. And also, for example, documents, files you can save from whom, and you can also select the maximum file size. All the same you can do when you return to this storage and go to Wi-Fi. Here you will also need to make sure that you have it enabled. After that, it is advisable to drag this line to the maximum. And then you'll be able to just customize as well each of the partitions itself. And this way you will be able to back up your Telegram chat history, which will be saved not only in your Telegram, but also in your gallery. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, put your likes, and see you later, friends.